What's up guys and welcome to the video. So special thanks to Hošek Motor Mercedes-Benz dealer. It's located in Brno in Czech Republic, and also here is a AMG Performance Center. What's up guys and welcome to this review. So this is Mercedes-AMG E53 4MATIC Saloon or Sedan, and this is the basic key fob. You can get in Germany high gloss or a white gloss with high gloss chrome or a matte chrome key fob. So I'm not sure if you can get this in different countries, but I didn't find it on UK or on US configurator, so maybe this is only for Europe. So for more information, check it with your local dealership. So before I fully start the review, I want to tell you the price of the car. So the price in US is 74k, so this is the base price for this car. If we take a look on E63S, this car is 33k more than E53. So this is a very big price difference, so I just wanted to let you know. Also in UK there is 30 grand in a UK pounds difference, so quite significant price jump. So it's up to you to decide which variant do you want. So let's unlock the car and take a look at the engine first. So this is the new engine for 53 series for CLS, E-Class and GT 4-door. So they all share this new engine. This engine is 3.0 liter inline 6-cylinder turbo engine. It has one turbo. This engine produces 435 PS and 520 Newton meters, and it accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 4.5 seconds. So you also have something new, which is electric auxiliary compressor, 16 kilowatts, which can give you this initial push. So this particular car is made in Designo red hyacinth metallic paint job. In the back you can see 4 round exhaust pipes. So these are the 20-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke light alloy wheels with Yokohama Advanced Sport tires. On the front you can see Turbo 4MATIC Plus badge. So let's unlock the car and we can take a look at the interior of the car. So this car has on the inside beige macchiato interior. This is a Nappa leather. And these are the comfort seats. Also AMG floor mats. You can also see two 12.3-inch screens. So I'm going to put the key aside and let's take a closer look. So the steering wheel looks really nice. I like this touch on the bottom with AMG logo. Really good. On the side it's flat. The steering wheel has a really nice thickness. It's not really. So you can see here Mercedes-Me buttons and SOS buttons. The panoramic roof. So you can close, open panoramic roof, as I'm showing you now. You can open for ventilation, so a little bit air comes inside the cabin. So let's push the start stop button and you can see big AMG logo. It's really beautiful. So you can adjust your steering wheel electronically. And this is the command system. So the command system is the same as in CLS. And a full review of the command system you can find in CLS 53 AMG video review, which I will be linked down in the description box. So you can see there the full review of this command system. Unfortunately, this particular car had discharged the car battery because a lot of customers tried this new system. So the car battery needs to be on charger, so that's why I couldn't power on the command system and it turned it off after 3 minutes. And also I'm planning to do more videos, for example E53 Coupe, if it will be in the stock in the showroom. So this is just a brief look at this command system. So you can see the navigation, you can zoom out all the way to see the planet. So at that moment command switched off, then I couldn't power it on. So check my CLS 53 AMG review for full review of this command system. So I will show you the dashboard. So you can set many things on the dashboard. This is new 12.3 inch digital dashboard. So I really like this digital dashboard. I was not a big fan of digital dashboard before because the graphics itself wasn't really that good. But these new digital dashboards from Mercedes are really on another level. I was saying that also in different review. So you can toggle with this dynamic select switch your modes. There are 5 modes: Eco, Individual, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. The race mode is for E63S. In trip settings you can see a lot of different things as range, consumption, eco display and your stats from the start and from the reset and actual speed. Also you have heated seats, ventilated seats, and you can adjust also the passenger seat if you push the third button all the way on the right side. So this is a little preview of the ambience lighting. Everything is high quality in this car and you can see all colors in my CLS 53 video. So on the right column you can adjust what you want to see: tire pressure, AMG track pace, boost of the turbo, G-forces, rev counter. So if I compare this to analog dashboard, the advantage is that you can adjust to your likings, to your preference, what do you want to see. Before you could see only speedo, only the speed and the revs of the engine, and in the middle you had a little display, but now you can adjust everything to your liking. So you can see also engine level, which was measuring, but you need to drive for that. You can see tires, service, and if you had some error messages you can see them there. In the assistant you could see the Distronic system and the attention assist if you need to take a break. Also you can adjust head-up display, its position, brightness and display content. So you can customize this to your liking also, what you want to see. If you're a tall person or short person, so you can see the display, head-up display every time, the best. And also one of my favorite features is the design. You can change the design from sport to classic and to progressive. So you can change the entire dashboard to your liking. So for example, in progressive you have one speedo in the middle, and then you can adjust left and right side. So you can put there AMG track pace, tire pressure, stuff like that. Sport is also cool because you have like AMG yellow theme, so I really like that one also. This is more like a traditional but really futuristic style. So out of these three, probably sport would be my favorite, because this one reminds me the AMG the most. Also you can adjust suspension, AMG ride control, sport, sport plus and comfort. Then there is the auto start stop feature and Parktronic pilot, but you need a command system and it wasn't on at that moment. So let's take a look in the glove box. You can see a place for the perfume there. It's not that big thanks to that, so you can stuff some little things there. So let's take a closer look at the interior. So these are the comfort seats with beige macchiato color. It's a really nice beige color. In the middle console you can find the storage compartment with two USB-A ports and SD card slot. In the middle console you can find two cup holders, one USB-A charging port. You can also see the clock and AC. This is dual zone unit. On the top you can see storage space for your sunglasses. So these are the notes on breaking in a new vehicle, a new AMG engine. So this is the best way how you can break in a new engine. So let's take a look at the rear seats. AMG floor mats. So you can see an armrest there, a little storage space. So the boot capacity is 540 liters. It's quite large boot space. You have automatic boot, but it didn't work at the time because the car battery was dead. But if car battery is charged, then the automatic boot is working. So yeah guys, that's all for this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. So guys, thanks for watching, like, share and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day!